This market is always so lively and exciting. Everywhere I look, I see colorful shops, beautiful products, and so many people enjoying their shopping.
That's exactly why I love coming here. We can usually find stylish products at much better prices than in shopping malls if we bargain politely.
Are you planning to buy anything special today, or are we just looking around for fun?
I actually need a new handbag and a pair of sunglasses. My old bag is getting worn out, so I thought today would be the perfect day to replace it.
Then we should compare prices at a few different shops before buying anything because that usually helps us get the best deal.
That's a good idea. I don't want to spend more than my budget, but I also don't want to compromise on quality.
Don't worry. We'll take our time, compare different options, and bargain confidently until we find the right price.
I hope so because I'm still learning how to negotiate without feeling nervous.
Welcome, ma'am. Please take your time and have a look at our latest handbag collection. We have many new designs that have just arrived this week.
Thank you. There are so many beautiful bags here that it's difficult to decide which one I like the most.
We have handbags in different colors, sizes, and styles. I'm sure you'll find something that matches your taste.
This brown handbag immediately caught my attention. The design looks elegant, and the color will match almost every outfit.
That's one of our best-selling handbags because it's made from premium quality material and is very durable.
It feels quite strong, and the stitching also looks neat. Can I check the inside compartments as well?
Of course. It has 3 large compartments, a zipper pocket, and enough space for your phone, wallet, and other daily essentials.
I really like everything about it. Could you please tell me the price?
This handbag costs $1,500.
$1,500 seems a little higher than I expected. Is that your final price, or is there any room for negotiation?
The quality is excellent, so I believe the price is completely reasonable, but let's see what we can do.
I genuinely like this handbag, but my shopping budget is only around 1,000 Indian rupees. Could you please offer me a better price?
I'm sorry, ma'am, but 1,000 is much too low. I wouldn't even recover my cost at that price.
Why don't you politely ask whether there's any festival discount or special offer available today?
That's a good suggestion. Sir, do you have any special discounts for regular customers or first-time buyers?
Since you're asking so politely, I can reduce the price to 1,350, but that's already a very good discount.
I appreciate your offer, but it's still slightly above my budget. I was hoping we could agree on something a little lower.
Believe me, ma'am, this quality is difficult to find at a lower price.
The quality really does look good, but every customer also wants to feel like they've received a fair deal.
That's true, and I always try to keep both quality and customer satisfaction in mind. All right, tell me honestly. What is the highest amount you're willing to pay today?
If you can give it to me for 1,150, I'll buy it immediately without visiting any other shop.
You're definitely a good negotiator, but 1,150 is still too low for this handbag.
Maybe both of you can meet somewhere in the middle so that everyone feels happy with the final price.
1,250 is much closer to my budget, but before I decide, may I compare it with one more bag? 1,250 is much closer to my budget, but before I decide, may I compare it with one more bag?
Certainly. Please take your time because I want you to leave completely satisfied with your purchase.
Thank you. I appreciate that you're giving me enough time instead of rushing me into making a decision.
After looking at all the other handbags, I honestly think the first one is still the best choice because its quality is much better.
I completely agree. Sometimes spending a little more on a good quality product actually saves money in the long run.
Exactly, ma'am. A durable product lasts much longer than a cheaper one that needs to be replaced after a few months.
You're right. I would rather buy one good handbag than keep buying poor quality ones again and again.
That's a very practical way to think. I'm sure you'll be happy with this purchase.
All right, I'll take this handbag for 1,250 Indian rupees because I think it's a fair price for the quality you're offering.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I'll pack it carefully for you, and I hope to see you again soon.
Congratulations! You bought a beautiful handbag, stayed within your budget, and also learned how to bargain politely.
Thank you. Today taught me that bargaining isn't about arguing. It's about communicating politely until both the customer and the shopkeeper feel satisfied.